In today's video, I'm going to teach you how to change calories and macros in MyFitnessPal. This app is a fantastic tool for tracking your nutrition and achieving your health goals. Let's get started on understanding how to tailor your calorie and macronutrient settings. First, launch the MyFitnessPal app on your device. When you open the app, you will see the home screen with your daily food diary and various options. This step is crucial because it sets the stage for all the changes you are about to make. You want to ensure you are using the most up-to-date version for the best experience. Once the app is fully loaded, you will be ready to navigate through its features. Next, tap the More menu, which is represented by three dots located in the bottom right corner of your screen. This icon gives you access to additional features and settings. By tapping on it, you expand your options, leading you to important settings like goals and preferences. This little step is significant because it allows for a personalized experience tailored to your dietary needs. After tapping the More menu, you will see a list of additional options. From there, tap on Goals. This section is where you can adjust your calorie and macro targets to align with your personal health objectives. You will notice that this page presents your current goals and offers options to modify them. Taking the time to set accurate goals is essential for tracking your progress effectively. With your goals selected, you're now ready to dive deeper into the specifics of your nutritional targets. Now, select calorie and macro goals, or you might see it labeled as calories, carbs, protein, and fat goals under the nutrition goals section. This will take you to a page where you can see your current macronutrient distribution. Each of these components plays a vital role in your overall health and fitness journey. Understanding how to adjust these numbers can help you optimize your diet according to your fitness objectives. Once you select this option, a new menu will open up for you. Next up, adjust your calories. Tap the Calories field, type in your custom daily target, and save your changes. This is where you can personalize your caloric intake based on your specific goals such as weight loss, maintenance, or muscle gain. Entering the right number is important because it directly impacts your energy levels and overall progress. Make sure to double-check your entry before moving on, as this will ensure you are setting the right foundation for your macro adjustments. After adjusting your calories, it's time to adjust your macros. Tap any of the macronutrient fields, which include carbs, protein, or fat. This allows you to specify how much of each macronutrient you want to consume daily. Each macro plays a different role in your body, so adjusting these according to your dietary needs is essential. This step is vital for ensuring you are getting the right balance of nutrients to support your lifestyle. Finally, tap the checkmark or save button to lock in your numbers. This is the moment when all your adjustments are finalized. You will see a confirmation appear, letting you know that your changes have been saved successfully. This reassurance is important, as it confirms that your personalized goals are now set and ready for tracking. Now that you have updated your calories and macros in MyFitnessPal, you are well on your way to reaching your health goals. Remember, consistency is key, and regularly checking your progress will help you stay motivated. With these adjustments made, you can confidently track your intake and make informed decisions about your nutrition. Thank you for watching, and happy tracking!